beautiful, welcome to or back to my channel. In today's video we're talking about how to choose the right crystal for your crystal healing practices, because if you don't know, crystals are an amazing way to heal and to enhance your energy in a variety of different ways, but every crystal is different and serves a different purpose, so it's important to know how to choose the right crystal for you, and that's what I'm going to help you with today. So stay tuned and make sure you stay until the end, because I have a special tool that I want to share with you to help you on your crystal healing journey. So choosing the right crystal is actually quite simple, but the thing you need to get clear on first is your intention for using crystal healing. Why do you want to use crystals? What is it that you want help with? So for example, you might want to work on your heart center, things like your compassion, your forgiveness, if you're healing from a heartbreak, or you might want to work on your intuition and your psychic abilities, or you might want to use crystals to help you to protect your energy from other negative forces. There are all different reasons, but you need to get really clear on what it is that you want so that you then know which crystal to choose. Now I will run you through a few of the crystals that I use regularly. I have quite a few, but these are the ones that I use majority of the time, just to give you a basic understanding. So the first one is this beauty, which is the Chevron Amethyst. So it's clear with purple tones, and the amethyst is great for relieving tension and for enhancing your intuition and your psychic abilities and spiritual healing. And it's also good for headaches or any kind of pain and detoxing physically. In my opinion, this is a must-have in anyone's crystal toolbox. The second one that I use a lot is this little gem, which is hematite. It's kind of like a metallic blue / black color, and this is great for, basically it absorbs negative energy in a nutshell. So it absorbs your own negative energy that you might be feeling, and it can absorb obviously negative energy from other people and in your environment. So this is basically great to protect yourself from all negative energy. And the third, and probably my absolute favorite one that I cannot live without, is this, which is the rose quartz. You've probably heard of it, even if you're not into crystals, because it's so common. It's a beautiful light pale pink color. It's very feminine and cute. And these benefits are endless. I mean, it helps us to tap into our divine feminine energy, and it's great for things like love, compassion, forgiveness, heart healing. It's also known to help with your complexion, maintaining a youthful appearance. It's great for fertility. It balances your sex drive and helps you with sexual frustration. Just saying, it's just one of the benefits. It's great for healing relationships and getting rid of all of those negative energies between you and another person. A little known fact, rose quartz can actually help you ladies with period pains as well. So in my opinion, this is probably the first crystal you should ever go and buy, because it just has so many benefits. So once you know what crystal it is that you need to buy, obviously the next step is to go and buy it. So let's say you go into a crystal shop and you know the crystal you want. The shop is probably going to have like 100 different versions of that crystal in different shapes and sizes and things like that. So the way to know which one is right for you is to simply look at them and see if you're instantly drawn to the look of any specific one. And further than that, you can pick different ones up and just see how they feel in your hand. Just hold them, and you will probably find that you'll pick one up and it will just feel right to you. It's definitely a feeling thing rather than a thinking thing. You want to feel your way to the right crystal. Bearing in mind, there's no such thing as a wrong crystal. A crystal is a crystal. It's going to do its job regardless. But if you really want to get the one that feels the best to you, just do that. Just pick a couple up and see which one feels the best. Obviously, if you're shopping online, you can't do that, so then maybe just go off the visuals. But the more important thing is to know which type of crystal you need. The individual variation of that crystal is not too important, but it would be good to just get one that feels right to you. Also, I just want to say, you don't have to get crystals in the form of a rock that you hold in your hand. You can also get them in jewelry. So like the one I'm wearing now is a rose quartz necklace, and that is an amazing way to use crystals, because then you can keep them on you all throughout the day wherever you go. If you want to learn more about all the different types of crystals and what they can do for you, I highly recommend this book, which is The Crystal Healer by Philip Perma. This was gifted to me actually, but this is basically the crystal Bible. It has every crystal you can think of, and what's really cool is it comes with, I'm just going to show you pictures of each one so you know exactly what you're looking for, and then it has the name obviously, and then a long detailed description of each crystal, including where they come from, what star sign they're associated with, and which chakra they're associated with, and then the physical, emotional and spiritual benefits of each. So that is an amazing tool to get you started on your crystal healing journey. I'll link it in the description box below for you so you can go and get it. Must read. I hope this helps, and until the next video, I wish you health, wealth and high vibrations.